Hi guys, this is Alex from BlackboxMyCar, and today we're going to be introducing the VIOFO A119 V3. The VIOFO A119 V3 is a new one-channel dashcam from VIOFO and represents the next upgrade from the VIOFO A119 V2. Here is a quick summary sheet between V2 to V3 model. Let's take a look inside the box. The VIOFO A119 V3 is the latest and greatest among the A119 series, capable of recording in Quad HD plus 1600p. With its 5-megapixel Sony STARVIS image sensor, day and nighttime video quality is crystal clear. The 12-volt power cable will supply power to your dashcam through the cigarette outlet within your vehicle. This specific model has a dual USB slots with the option to remove the USB cable. For hardwiring options, please contact us at info@blackboxmycar.com. This power cable is used for firmware updates to your dashcam. However, we recommend updating your firmware through the SD card. Using the GPS mount with your dashcam allows for the GPS function during playback of captured footage. This adhesive mount will provide a secure mount to your windshield. It is recommended to hold the mount to your windshield for 10 seconds to ensure the best connection possible. Using cable clips will allow for the cables to stay organized, ensuring a clean, finalized look. Now let's take a look at the beautiful 1600p footage that the A119 V3 is capable of. VIOFO's parking mode is now available with this model. However, we're still in the midst of testing the parking mode feature and can't fully, confidently recommend it yet. However, if you're seeking a dashcam with true parking mode at around the same price budget, we highly recommend the THINKWARE FA200 at this time. As always, thank you for watching and making BlackboxMyCar #1 dashcam retailer across North America. If you have any questions you would like to see answered in a video, please contact us at info@blackboxmycar.com or leave us a comment below. Everything mentioned in this video can be found in the description below.